Peloton stock today so far. Well, at the moment, stock is halted at 25. So the news is that, well, they're stopping production of their treadmills, and this stock has been having a hard time ever since it hit those highs, and pretty much has not been like bouncing at all. It has been pretty much, especially after this last report, which was the pivotal stock, gapped from $85 level all the way till 55, and never did attempt to recover any of these losses. Look at this downtrend. So this is a daily chart, and look how precisely I have been watching this downtrend, and it just keeps making lower lows, lower lows. And when you ask yourself, like, how low can it go? I mean, looks like it's just non-stop. So all-time lows for Peloton is $17, and look how much it has gone up from 17 all the way to $170 levels. So if you measure, I mean, that's just been trading like a penny stock to me personally. So if you look at this down move from its all-time highs from the beginning of 2021, in exactly 1 year pretty much, stock is down 85%. So this is just one example of like stock where you guys need to be careful. Like 2020 was totally different. Pretty much anything you got your hands on was going up and up and up. And 2021 was a little bit tough year for me personally to trade as well. And 2022 now, when with all these talks that Fed is gonna tighten a little bit and increase the interest rates, I mean, you need to think of people who are positioned in these stocks with leverage. So when a lot of times you see these kind of 20% drop, 30% drop, 40% drop in a single day, that means there is somebody who is getting margin called. There's some hedge fund or big guys who got screwed, and that's where you see pretty much brokers did not need your permission if you're using leverage and you cannot maintain that percentage. Well, they start selling. So, and they will sell at a market price just to liquidate you. They will pretty much liquidate your other healthy positions. Because if you look around, except this Peloton, there are other stocks that are getting affected because, well, if somebody who has in their portfolio other quality names, maybe, and one of their positions is dragging down the entire portfolio, I mean, those brokerages will sell all of their stock just to get their money back. And this year, there was a news couple weeks ago where pretty much the headline was saying that the max pretty much margin is being used in 2021 and 2022. Even I think Schwab, like those firms, brokerage firms, they lend you the money, right? On their earnings, they said that, well, people who used margin increased significantly for the past like 15 years or so, they say. And well, you want to be careful. Of course, stock is at the moment bouncing. Support for this name would be, well, I wouldn't get my hands on this stock anytime soon. It definitely can go back to $17 where it came from, but it's just one nasty move. So be very, very careful with these names, especially that are trading with a very high PE and that are not profitable yet. So that's the video for Peloton. See you in the next one. Peace.